Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. So you're trying to unhide rows in Google Sheets. Let me show you how, and also how to tell if rows are hidden in the first place. And I'll be honest, this is one of my pet peeves. I don't love hiding rows or columns because it makes the sheet harder for people to interact with. But sometimes you'll open a sheet and need to fix it. How to tell if rows are hidden. Look over on the left side at your row numbers. If your sheet goes from 1 to 6, that's a clear indication that rows 3, 4 and 5 are hidden. Row numbers are not changeable by users, just like the column headers A, B, C at the top. You can't edit those. So if numbers are skipping, something is hidden. You'll also notice a small arrow icon between the row numbers, usually between the 2 and the 6 in this example. That's another clue. Method 1. Click the arrow. To unhide the rows, click directly on the arrow icon. Important. Click the arrow itself. If you click in between the rows, you'll get the resize cursor instead. But if you click the arrow, it will instantly unhide the hidden rows. Method 2. Right-click to unhide. There's another way. Select the row numbers surrounding the hidden rows, for example, row 2 and row 6. Right-click. You'll see an option that says, Unhide Rows. Click that, and your hidden rows will reappear. Quick recap. Skipping row numbers equals hidden rows. Look for the arrow indicator. Click the arrow to unhide. Or right-click surrounding rows, arrow unhide rows. That's it. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, consider subscribing to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I go deep into powerful formula combinations, automation strategies, and even app script, so you can code and automate your sheets. I'll see you in the next one.